Welcome to the healing power of nature in a glass. This is MenstruBalance Tea, refreshing, hormone-friendly, and crafted specifically to support your menstrual cycle. Every sip is infused with natural ingredients that help regulate your period, ease painful cramps, and restore balance to your reproductive system. It's more than just a tea, it's a daily support for your womb. It also balances your hormones while promoting relaxation. This tea has helped many of our ladies to regain control of their cycles. Here is how easy it is to prepare your healing cup of MenstruBalance Tea. You will add 500 milliliters of water into a saucepan. Bring the water to a boil. While that heats up, prepare your infusion kettle. If you don't have one, we've got you covered. In just a few, we will show you how you can make the tea without the infusion kettle. Once the water has boiled, pour it carefully into the kettle. Now, scoop 1 level teaspoon of MenstruBalance Tea. That's all you need. Add it into the kettle and close the lid. Let it steep for 10 minutes as the herbs gently release their healing potential. After steeping, give it a gentle stir to awaken the flavors and herbal benefits. Don't have an infusion kettle? No problem. You can still make the MenstruBalance Tea without losing any of its benefits or potency. Here is how we are going to do it. Simply pour hot water into a cup. Then scoop a level teaspoon of MenstruBalance Tea. Add the teaspoon of MenstruBalance Tea into the cup. If you are struggling with anything, be patient with yourself and trust the process. Your body has an incredible ability to heal when given the right support, and MenstruBalance Tea is here to help guide that healing naturally and effectively. Now you are going to stir it gently to awaken the flavors and aromas of the herbs. Once you have stirred, you can now cover the cup with a saucer and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it should be ready. Now uncover and strain the tea into a clean cup. Prefer it cold? Just add ice cubes into your glass and pour in your cooled MenstruBalance Tea. What you get is a soothing, refreshing, and restorative drink that supports your cycle from the inside out. Having pain-free periods should be normalized. The MenstruBalance Tea was specially formulated to gently support your body in restoring its natural hormonal balance and nourishing the reproductive system. Our MenstruBalance Tea works in sync with your body to address the root causes of absent periods, whether due to stress, PCOS, low estrogen, or other hormonal imbalances. Ready to take control of your period health naturally? Order your MenstruBalance Tea today. Because your womb deserves balance and your body deserves care.